your paint sprayer appears to be set up properly, but there's still no paint coming out, there could be a number of reasons for this. There are two important parts that allows the air to reach the paint and force it out the nozzle: the suction tube and the air tube. The air tube is on the side of the sprayer's front end. Air travels through this tube and into the material container. This tube can be unscrewed to clean it. Note that when removing it, at the base of the tube there's a small blue seal inside. Be careful not to lose it. The spray will not operate correctly if the blue seal is missing, is in the wrong way, or the rest of the air tube is clogged. Place it back inside the valve cover before screwing it back on, with the pointed end facing upwards. When cleaning your sprayer, it's important to make sure your air tube is clean and free from paint. I've done a separate video on cleaning. Please take a look at this on Wagner's DIY YouTube channel. A second and very important part of the Flexio sprayer that allows air into the paint container is a small air passage through the suction tube. Dry paint can clog the pinhole, preventing the paint container from becoming pressurized. Using an unfolded paper clip, push the dry paint out of the hole. Check the hole is clear every time you clean the paint sprayer. If you're still having any issues, you may need to contact Wagner. You can get product support on our social media platforms as well as through the website.